Shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling jaded up. Used to trip off that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it.
I started with a sketch of each pattern. Here I'm cutting out the front pattern of the dress, which I'm going to split into 2 pieces, separating the bra from the skirt. Now you want to take your bra pattern and cut it out twice. Here I'm laying them flat, right sides together, and then I'm going to sew the top and the bottom curve. Now, using your skirt pattern and your bra pattern, you're going to trace out the back piece.
But you giving me
Once you get to the top of the dress, you want to remove the bra pattern so you can cut it out straight. Use a ruler or measuring tape so you can mark it correctly. Use a straight ruler to mark out the tie for your neck piece. The first thing you want to do is hem the top of the skirt. Then you want to add elastic to the top of the back of the dress. Now you can pin the bra and the skirt together and top stitch.
But you're giving me
Once you sew that down, you can attach the back of the dress and sew down the side seams. And here's the final look. If you have any requests you would like to see, just message me on any of my social medias or message me by email.